Hello, are you starting a business? Running a business? Or trying to grow existing local businesses? Digital marketing online products are your perfect solution. With the amount of competition in today's business environment, it can be hard to stand out and attract new and potential customers to your online shop for profitable online sales. If you want your business to get noticed on search engines by your target audience, you need i800services. Our services include i800 search engine optimization to have more traffic on your websites. Google My Business (GMB) helps businesses to gain more visibility on Google search. Website designing and maintenance is the service for successful, attractive, and easy-to-use websites. Email marketing is the service that boosts your sales and helps you get to new clients around the world. Digital marketing online products to start, run, and grow your business. Other services include PPC pay-per-click advertising services, YouTube marketing services, content marketing, reputation management, and many more, which also boosts your sales and maximizes the visibility on the Google search results. How it works. Step 1. Purchase the products of your choice. Step 2. 30 minutes video or audio call will be scheduled with an expert to analyze and discuss your goal. Step 3. Service will be delivered to meet your goal as soon as required. So what are you waiting for? Buy our products right now and make your website search engine friendly. For more information, visit our website i800services.